Come in my side. Send me a rose there before Sarge send for me. But give me money now.
Oh, police!
Yeah, man. Watch it now. Double pan the triple. Double pan the triple. Double.
Police!
My side. Come on. Brother, wait no man. Me a come charge. Just wait no brother. I'm telling you. Paul, big up yourself for that galaxy there, Paul. But take man thing for joke you. Big up yourself, Paul. I shoot never shoot at them.
Sit down.
Give me your money. Give me it. Snap it. A count down. Give me it. Put it down for the ground, boy. 5. Put it down for the ground. 4, 3, 2. Yo, my side. Then just kill the boy over here, so yo. Send more galaxy. I'm going to show now what going over there. Why you universe I'm showing right now?
Look here. Me, I send you down the road. Figure by 2 pounds of sugar, 2 pounds of rice, 2 pounds of cornmeal. But guess what? You can't make them know say you come from foreign because anyhow them know say you come from foreign, them a go beg you. So watch ya. This is a Jamaica $100. In Jamaica, we call it bills.
Bills.
Bill. Alright, so guess what? If you walk on the road and anybody you see on the corner and them say, Mr. Chin, beg your bills, they're talking the Jamaica $100.
Okay.
So watch ya. If you walk on the road and them say, Mr. Chin, beg your bills, just say, yo, I go circle back. Do that, show me. Do that. So pretend say you walk on the road and I see you and me beg your bills. Go on. Yo, Mr. Chin, beg your bills.
We circle back.
Young, come here, young. So watch ya. Show me how you are go walk good on a shop with the money as a Jamaican. Just show me. Jesus. Me can't send him go shop. Young, come. You don't want to beg off your money, young. Come.
That one greedy friend.
Get peace, I fall. God bless you.
To me phone you.
I chucks, man. Super Plus Center shop B4 you buy, no? B4 you say, no? Nice one, I chucks, no? Chucks, man.
Jesus! Put up on the loose, boy! Oh, God. When you get up from your song going, do you hear say cripple mad out again? He mad out? When you get up from there? Big bro! I just shut your mouth up then. Our eye man problem. No, say cripple mad out again. Full moon last night. That's a cripple business, Aya. You go out there. Found our friend. You can't stay them on a bad boy. You don't go on a Alright, stay there. Hello, Gladys. Don't come on the road of blood seed. Right now, me want to go me yard and can't go me yard. What do you mean, want cripple mad out again? A bush, me sit down in a one go me yard and can't go me yard. Hello, me a bad boy, but you can't touch him. Remember saying have him mad certificate. You touch him, you gonna jail. Almighty God, you don't know say if I did normal man, me kill that long time. And send to a boy fixing business. Tell for your little picnic she princess it in a yard. You know, princess she a road rat. Hold on, me soon talk to you. Look, me soon talk.
Yo, Beanie, you're my son. Don't make I man of it talk twice. Saying you and Jekyll take your itself and come off the road. You know, say cripple mad out again. Oh, no, the pan road I run up and down a kill on. I man have time for that. I man can take off, lick off of your skin when lick done put down on your skin.
Look, a boy from my shop in there. Yeah, cripple. Oh, yeah, no. Jaffet, I'm Jaffet.
Some boy up there so thief my phone. I know him thief, I'm going like he not thief my phone.
What do you mean by thief your phone?
Brother, I want...
Which one? We can pint him up.
You ask me like you can't help. You can't help me.
Yo, don't worry your head, man. Tell me which one. Pint
see him there, the Ital one, the big
man,
Ital
you
one.
look smart if you mash up in there.
Mash up, oh, cripple. You can't mash up. Jesus Christ, cripple.
Alright, fit man, bad 50. Tell me, I'm pro what is that? Yeah, man. I'm with boy in your
Yo, cripple. You know, you're cripple. You're a bad boy.
Wait,
you a bad, but me never know you could have done that thing. Remember, so you kind of disabled type of way. You cripple, so me never know you could have got beat up, boy. Can man fall up, man?
No?
Eh? Me say you're disabled, so me never know you.
No, man. Say it to you. You're disabled? I show me disabled. nothing. Oh, your father look boy. Pops say clean so pops. Just cool, man. Just cool, man. Remember, say, what year was going on? You don't know what say me wash my pants. But it name dry, so me just jam one of them jeans when me sip on the line. I must say for Jaffet.
But Pops, tell you clean your way, get this a class from Pops.
What you mean? Remember half ICE, man, just cool, man, a code, man. You know what thing go, man.
Code? What you know about code, Pops?
Oh, yeah, this how we do that, boy. We not lily boy, yeah, man. A code, man. We run things, yeah? We do it first. Them boy are not do it, and we are do it. Them are half do it.
So you know about that, Pops?
True believer, man. Just cool.
True believer?
Believe. Not lily boy.
They see your force.
Like a rabbit. Just cool. Just cool, man. Son, little more. You know it can.
Fully, man. Fully cool. Pops, I want Pops. I want Pops. Pops, I want Pops.
My name.
Remember say you're a big man in the Pops.
I'm back.
Take time and go on over.
Jesus Christ. I did type and thing. Take off that. Alright. Me none of them alive, brother. Give me back my cap. Tell Jaffet to take off my pants off. I like it. Alright, Pops. What you laugh at, boy?
No, man, Pops, man.
You get joke, man? You want to sit no tight gladiator, boy?
No, man, Pops.
No, say right word, man. Or you get sit no tight gladiator.
No, Pops. Go and force go like a rabbit, Pops.
Force.
Me will take you all on no girl. The whole of them, me will flip on no girl like flip cash. I told no girl at ATM easy if you take them. You withdraw no girl from no.
You know, if you have shame as an ugly youth, you know your place, brother.
I may have all like games them round here. You not see how me handsome.
Me, some will even make certain comments.
Take on no girl quickly. Like phantom.
Up in all here. Big up. Yeah, me there, big up. Big up. What?
All gone. Every no.
Me there, me I say, oh, come on now. Me see nobody. You understand? I don't see nobody. Somebody come say, wow. Where the backside of what?
Hello, I ought to me fine. I ought to some have to come back. Come here. I ought to some have to come find you. Come here, may I talk to you. Come here. I ought to some have to come find you, boy.
No, Pops. A Wi-Fi, me come out and call you.
Wi-Fi. So, Wi-Fi, not there.
No, good,
Come here.
No,
Don't you run. Don't you run.
What good, Pops? Me I tell you the truth.
No, so why you never said nothing to me say you come out of the house? You're a big man.
No, I never remember.
You turn your own a key.
No.
At your house.
No, Pops.
No man. Listen, Jaffet have to hogs when he come out of the yard. And because you live with Daphne, make you have them a sin thing in your head, like you can come out of your house anytime you want. No, come here, let me talk to you, man. Remember, you is not a big man. You're taller than me now. Me will thump you down, make you short on me, here, boy. You hear, boy?
Yes, Pop.
Me ask you a question. Come here, talk to you. Come here. You know who me is?
Magnus
who?
Magnus Butterfield.
Good. And me is who to you?
My father.
Alright, you is my father?
No.
You is my son. Hey, don't run. Don't you run. Hours a night now. May I ask you a question? Why you don't just left the yard like this boy? You bun crack?
No.
You bun weed?
No, Pop, say
Into the
why
yard. Into the yard, boy. Into the yard. Don't think could have a big man get up and left the yard without permission. And my house. And me rule, yeah. Magnus Butterfield, my name.
So she keep on party. And she said everybody can forward, just bring her back. But she don't want no ugly somebody come there. So I look at her and I say, Mama, say the plan for go out one party. She blocked me. Like, that don't make no sense. Me no see sense in that. Why y'all keep a party and you can't go? That does not add up. That now calculate to the right decimal to connect to the right point. You understand? To the right multiplication. You understand? But me I say still, well, I want adds a pop up. If females them We are pressure on the backside, man, for buying the most expensive Burger King bag. And so other bag and so on, so. Eh? And we have backside rent to pay. Car for car, got garage, we go check up. And so on, so. Tell them no backside this. This will have a chocolate and go and easy back with a fake rose. Nothing wrong with that. Let's go and well out till things right, alright? Alright, make sure you say alright. Send a gift in the comments to skip the ads. Skip, alright. What I say now? Why you gonna keep a party if you can't go? Like, you know you're not cute from day one. Don't make a backside. Don't make a man then take it to the backside either. I know you're pretty.
Then look how my glass fit me. For your good too, cause a brand glasses. It look like mine. You chat too much. Me know what me I do. You chat too much too. What you say a while ago, boy?
Nothing, daddy.
No. You said something a while ago, you see? And me want you repeat.
No, me never say nothing. I sing, me there sing.
Japhet, you say something under your breath. And me want you say it with your chest like a man. Tell me what you say a while ago. You chat too. Yeah, pass your place from where there. Me and you is not size. Me wear size 20, you wear size 5. You sick, me stomach. Yeah, boy. A long time me about. I am the father, me birth you and you birth me. Me bring you come here and me can take you out of this world if I want to. You know who I am?
Yes, sir.
Tell me who I am, Japhet.
Magnus.
Magnus who?
Magnus Butterfield.
Excuse me in front of me. You is no big man.
I just feel like you need to turn your life around.
Winston, me can't take too much I chatting you. I know you know Winston, I tell you the truth.
You need to turn your life around. It's not about the chatting, it's about the life, it's the life choices, You need to be really pure with people, because what goes around comes back around, and what goes around comes back around, round and round.
Winston, you chat too much foolishness right now, you know. You're like you're too pure, you know.
No,
you can't take too much I
you
chatting,
need
man.
to live pure now. I feel like the reason why your family run left you in the is because you're crippled. You're handicapish, You understand, I'm just feel like you need to your heart, be live pure, because handicapped people, and crippled people, they just live pure, You understand,
I can't play this guy, man. Handicap this guy.
Yes,
No, Winston. I'm coming to say.
Yes,
You're going to be handicapped.
So,
say it again.
what are
No,
you,
sit down. No, sit back down.
So what are you?
No, sit back here.
You're handicapped,
Oh. Me handicap. Yeah, let's see something, man. What are we going, Aya? How are the bongo jungle don't go on at Aya? A box me, Aya? They expect that one there, Aya. I'm going to call the Rasta 42 them, Aya. No, Aya.